As a new YouTuber, I understand that creating content is very stressful and not easy at all. One of the reasons I didn't start my YouTube channel when I wanted to was because I had background issues. I was always worried about background because I needed that perfect background. Yes, I love perfection, even though you cannot get anything very perfect in this life. I just love my things looking very okay. So had to look for an alternative, had to look for ways to improvise. Since I couldn't achieve the needed background that I need on my own, I needed to improvise in one way or the other. So hello baby lovers, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing Onye, and guess what, this background right here is completely fake. You're surprised, right? Don't worry about it. I am going to give you a detailed explanation of how I achieved this background with just two tools. One designing tool. The designing tool will be used for our background, and one video editing tool. Trust me, you can achieve this background, you can achieve these tools with just your phones. You can achieve this tool with just your phone. You don't need a digital camera. You don't need to start looking for extravagant things. No, you don't need that. You just need your phone. You can achieve this with your phone or your PC if you have your PC. But if you do not have your PC, you don't need to worry about. Your phone is enough for this. With no further ado, let's get right into the video. So if you have watched me till now, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Please help me click on the subscribe button, like, and please share my video to push this content to more people so they can come learn from this video. Have you subscribed? Thank you so much for subscribing. So let's continue. To achieve this background, we need to be working with two applications. The first application is Canva. We'll be using Canva application to generate our image, to generate our fake background image. Yes, in case you do not want to generate your image on Canva, you can also download your image on Pinterest. But for now, we are working with Canva. Canva is the application we are going to be using to generate our image. Yeah. The second application that we'll be using for this is CapCut. CapCut is a video editing app that you can use to edit all your videos. And please, before you import your video to CapCut, make sure you've already edited your video. It must be an edited video that you've already worked on. Also, make sure to film on a plain background. Look at this. I am currently filming in a white background. Yeah. Make sure you filmed on a plain background. You don't necessarily need to be a white background. It can be a black background. It can be a brown. It can be a red background, a blue background. Just make sure it's a plain background. Step is to come to our Canva app. Once you're in your Canva app, you click on this plus sign. When you click on the plus sign, you search for YouTube thumbnail. Our Canva app is a good designing app. You can use it to design your banner, your thumbnails. You can use it to design your intro videos. It's a very good app you will love to explore for great designers and for designers. So once you're here, it will bring out this template for us. Just click on elements. When you click on elements, it is time for us to generate our image, the background that we really want. So you click on generate image, then describe the kind of image you want in this box. So after describing the image you want, you generate image. Give it time to load. It will definitely load, and it will give you beautiful pictures. Very wonderful pictures for free. You can generate as much image as you want. Trust me. Also, if you do not like the images generated, you can also regenerate. And if you do not want to use Canva to generate your images, you can always generate from leonardo.ai, but I just love it here. Canva has given me everything. Why still go out to go and search for image generating tools? So I will select any of the images I want. So I'll just select this particular image here, this one. Okay, I'll select this one. We'll work with this. So it brings it right inside this template. All we need to do is to drag it to fit it into the template. Okay, drag it to fit into the template to cover the whole template. So just drag it, then you can adjust to what you want. You can adjust to what you want, but just drag it. Okay, just drag it, and I am okay with this. I am okay with this. So we'll not be using this particular image for this because I already generated an image I want to use. I'm just trying to show you how this is done. So we have the perfect image that we need. Okay, so after this, I still need to have a YouTube icon on this background. So I'll click on elements, but in case you do not have it, I already have it in my recently used, so I'll just select. But in case you do not have, all you need to do is to just search for YouTube icon. Then I'll reduce this to the size that I want, to my desired size. Then I'll now move it somewhere around here, or I can keep it up anywhere you want it. Just have fun, play around. So I'll just keep it somewhere around here to sit well on the shelf. Okay, to give it a more realistic look, I will click on effects. Once I click on effects, I'll click on effects again. I'll click on shadows, then I'll give it a glowy look. So I'll just glow it. I'm okay with this, but in case you do not like it that way, you can always adjust. Click on it, adjust to what you want. You can increase or reduce the intensity, but I'm okay with everything I have here so far. Another thing I love to do is to click on filter. Then I love to have this LED look, this LED filter look. So I'll just select this Luna, then I'll adjust it just because the intensity is too much, so I'll just adjust it a bit. I love to have this LED effect, so I am okay with this, and our background is ready. The next thing is to save your image. Once our image is ready, we'll come to our CapCut app. CapCut app is a good editing app. We click on new project. It's a video editing app. Once we click on new projects, we'll click on photos, then we'll select the photo we want. Like I said, I already downloaded the image, generated the image I want for this video. So I'll just select this and add. I just selected the image and added it to the background. I just imported it to the CapCut app. So I'll just extend the image, the background, to the length I want. But in case I am not sure of the length, not to worry, you don't need to be bothered. Just click on overlay to import your video. Once you click on overlay, come to your video. I'll be selecting a random video for the purpose of this tutorial, so I'll just select a random video. Then once you select your video, you just click on, you come to remove background. But for some mobile devices, they do write cutout. Once you click on cutout, you will see remove background, but for mine it's just written there, remove background. So I will also remove, and I'll click on it while the background is removing. I'll also be working around other things. Then I'll also need to still extend it till the duration of the video. Just have fun. Trust me, this is fun to do. I just want to adjust it for it to align with the size of the video, for the background and the size of the video to align, and the length of the video to align. That is the purpose of the dragging, so they are in the same position. Another thing I love to do is to delete this CapCut ending part. so it's perfect. They're on the same line. Okay, it's perfect. Then the next thing to do, okay, it has finished removing my background. The next thing I do is to work on the background. I'll just come down here, click on effects. Once I click on effects, I click on video effects. Once I click on video effects, I come to lens. When I click on lens, I select blur. You will notice that the blur is too much, so I'll just reduce the blur. I love reducing it to 9 or 10, so I'm okay with 10. This is perfect for me. So I will move the blur to cover to the length, to also align with the length of the video. Then I can then adjust my I can then adjust my video. Also make sure that when you're shooting a video, when you're filming yourself for the purpose of this fake background, you shoot in a plain background, so you do not get to have some part of your body to cut out, or for you to experience any sort of glitch at all. So here is what we have, and our background, everything, our video is perfect. Don't you love this? It's time for us to save our video. I always love to change it to 4K because I always shoot my videos on 4K. So we'll now save our video. Our video is ready. You save to your device and your video is ready for upload. I'm sure you've learned a lot from this video. I'm pretty sure you did learn. Yeah, now that you've learned how to create your fake background, I can't wait for you to try it out. I'm rooting for you. You need to try it out. Please drop your reviews, your comments in the comment section. Tell me if this has been of help to you, of great help to you. Yes, please. Thank you so much for still being with me till now. I so much appreciate it. I do not take your love for granted at all. Yeah, we're family. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like, share my video to your family, to your friends, and also don't forget to turn on your bell notification so that you get notified anytime, any day I post new content. My name is Blessing Onye. I'll meet you in my next one. Thank you. Bye bye.